Hello and welcome to Tapo in the Kitchen. Today we're making shrimp and pepper stir fry. This is a simple and delicious recipe I'm sharing with you today with simple ingredients you might already have in your fridge. This dish is very easy and quick. You can make it under 20 minutes and dinner is ready. We're gonna start by cutting two green onions 2-inch long. Then we're gonna cut the sweet peppers. And we're gonna cut them into bite size. And feel free to use any colored pepper of your choice. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, I invite you to subscribe so I can share more recipes with you. One peeled carrot, and then we're gonna cut it in julienne style. Next, use one medium shallot and slice it finely. And break the slices and put them aside. And now, let's mince 3 garlic cloves finely. Next, we're gonna grate some ginger. The shrimps are clean and deveined. And let's go ahead and start seasoning with salt and pepper. Add cornstarch and toast well. Now let's add some oil and toast well. And last but not least, let's prepare a cornstarch mixture. Stir the cornstarch with the water and let's put it aside. Now on medium heat, add oil and let's saute the carrots. We're going to saute the carrots for 2 minutes. Then add the shallots and let it cook for another 2 minutes. Then we're going to add the peppers. Let's season with some salt. Now let it cook for another 2 minutes and then we're going to remove it from the pan. Use the same pot, add some oil, and we're going to fry the ginger for a little bit. Then add the shrimps. Fry the shrimps 2 minutes per side. Now flip the shrimps over to allow the other side to brown. Add garlic. Then add the scallions. Let's give it a stir to mix. Then add soy sauce. Then we're gonna add honey for more flavor. Then mix shrimps to incorporate the liquid. Now add the cornstarch mixture to thicken the sauce. Now to finish, return the veggies to the pan and toast everything together to finish the dish. And look how gorgeous this recipe looked like. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you try it. And serve it immediately over rice or over pasta, whatever you like to eat it with. And thanks for watching.